Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfer. So today I will show you how to turn on auto dubbing option from your YouTube channel absolutely free of cost. So follow the step by step tutorial. So go to your YouTube channel. So from the YouTube channel interface you have to click on this and go to YouTube Studio. The YouTube Studio you will get this interface and go to setting. In the setting option you will get upload defaults, so click on this upload defaults and go to advanced setting. So drop down, so you will get this automatic dubbing. So you are eligible to access this feature, so click on enable. You have successfully enabled this auto dubbing feature. You will select on this and review dubs manually and then click on save. So you can see this settings save. So now you have successfully turned on the auto dubbing feature from your YouTube channel. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our others community.